Ranking Walmart's funny moments.
I can borrow $30 by any chance? No? You don't got it?
So that was a fucking lie.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need them $30, man.
A few moments later.
I need them $30. Like, for real, man. Like, I need this shit. Like shit. Second security.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Second, I'll fucking call the cops, bro. Just get away.
Call the cops. I got my fucking family. I'll get my family, dog. I'll fucking eat your bitch.
Eat my ass.